Hello all, welcome to Learn C. Myself I'm Harshita, studying for BTech at Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women at Autonomous Bhimavaram. This video is presented under the guidance of Dr. M. Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of CSC. In this video, we're going to discuss about C program on performing XOR operation to consecutive elements. You are given an array 1, and you have to reconstruct an array 2. The values in array 2 are obtained by doing XOR of consecutive elements in the array. Let's look at an example. Let's take input of 5 integers, say 10, 11, 1, 2 and 3. Then our output would be 1, 10, 3, 1 and 3. Let's know exactly what XOR bitwise operation mean. The bitwise XOR in C takes two numbers as operands and does XOR on every bit of two numbers. The result of bitwise XOR operator is 1 if the corresponding bits of two operands are opposite, and it is denoted by cap. Let's have a look on example. 11 in binary is represented as 1011, whereas 12 is represented as 1100. Then applying XOR to 11 and 12 would give us 0111, which is 7 in decimal. Let's write algorithm for this. Our first step is to get input string from the user. Second step is to find length of the string. Third step is to apply XOR operation to every I and every I plus 1th term of the string and print output string. Our first step is to get input string from the user. I'm going to take character. Let's take string name as S1 equals 11 and 12. I'm going to use the inbuilt function strlen to find out the length of the string strlen of S1. Let's store this value in a variable n, declaring n here and I. I'm going to print this length of the string, printf of %d is the size of the string. Let's take our output string as s2 int s2. When n is the size of s1, obviously size of s2 would be 1 less than s1, so n minus 1. Applying for loop for I equals 0, I less than goes until n minus 1, I plus plus. Then elements in S2 are obtained by doing XOR to every I and I plus 1 terms of S1. So S2 of I equals S1 of I XOR S1 of I plus 1. Then for loop I equals 0 goes until n minus 1, I less than n minus 1 and I plus plus. Printf of %d s2 of I. We're printing output string s2 of I. This is our pseudocode for our required program. Let's execute this in our compiler. Character S1 of 50. I'm going to take size as 50. Our elements are 11 and 12. Integers n and I, where n equals we are storing string length of S1. String length of S1. We're printing length of the S1. Printf of %d is the size of the string. And we named our second string as S2. whose size is n minus 1. We're having one for loop, I equals 0, goes until n minus 1 and I plus plus. We are printing elements of S2. S2 of I equals elements of S2 are obtained by applying XOR to S1 I and I plus 1th element of S1. Let's print elements of S2. For I equals 0, goes until n, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, printf of %d, S2 of I. Let's execute this program. 2 is the size of the string and 7. This is our required output. I hope you guys understood the program. Thanks for watching.